Legends of Learning presents the STEM Line Tavern game. This is a math game that makes learning about creating line plots and stem and leaf plots fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, learn how to use stem and leaf plots and line plots to organize data. Help Bob, who is helping his uncle run a tavern, keep track of the customer's order. You will help him plot the customer's orders on either a line or stem and leaf plot graph. Use the mouse to click on the line graph that has the right amount of items as per the instructions the customer ordered. For the stem and leaf plot, you will click on the empty box as per the instructions and insert the correct value as per data instructions. Complete all the orders to make his uncle happy and to complete the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.